Every manufacturing leadership team has initiatives to reduce unplanned downtime, to drive proactive maintenance, to drive reliability of their equipment, and that's all great. Problem is it's easier said than done because there's a massive shortage in maintenance talent in today's manufacturing environment. And so in most organizations, there's a lot of tension between operations and maintenance. So with Redzone's reliability module, we help organizations bridge that gap by upskilling and empowering their frontline teams to take more ownership of their equipment. And so now plants have 100 eyes and ears looking for defects proactively through senses in the app. They can raise the flag when there's a critical breakdown to get maintenance involved and to fix that problem right away. Now teams are finding those hidden stars within the organization who then can take that leap from production into a maintenance apprentice, leading them to then row the boat in the same direction, and then ultimately a more profitable and successful manufacturing organization.
We've seen 25% improvement in our OEE. The other one that was a huge thing for us, maintenance downtime, and that's been over a 50% reduction.
So from our reliability module, we've seen a 4% uplift through productivity.
It's been hard to communicate sometimes, and this has changed things a lot. This has just made everything so simple.
One of our big features is that most of our operators and most of our employees are Spanish speaking.
You have to pay attention to what the operators say. Redzone gives them an opportunity to put it in there in their own words. You have something to go by before you even get over there.
El funcionamiento de la máquina depende del equipo en completo. Somos un equipo. Todos los que hacen parte de la máquina deben estar conectados con la máquina.
So I'd say definitely the senses and the work orders really helped. Before, we didn't know what maintenance guy would work on what.
So something that might take 10 or 15 minutes to fix now might have taken us half an hour, 45 minutes previously.
And also, as we move into that preventative maintenance, we schedule them, we're doing them, we have visibility of it. It's not on one person's to-do list, it's on everybody's, so that's helped as well.
When we first got Redzone, I actually hated it. Now it's a simple glance at it, and you're seeing the issues.
We have a bit more of a rapid response because maintenance has that opportunity to have that rapid response.
It's brought the ROI that we wanted.
Because it's easy to manage. Anyone at every level can manage what they need to own, and it all works together to make it very easy and simple to use.